Welcome to the Filling the Circle game. This game provides a visual and fun practice of fraction expansion and fraction reduction. The game can be played in front of the entire class, where we divide the class into two teams. And in this format, each team could have internal discussions, and the teacher can also hold class discussions to emphasize a certain mathematical point. If there are computers available, students can use them to practice while playing one against the other. We will now start the game and understand the rules and the goal as we go along. Let's click Start Game. So the blue team starts, and they have to color a half. They could simply color this half here, or let's click this again to erase this half and color here and here. 2/4. So we see very visually that these fractions are equivalent. Let's erase this quarter. And note one thing we can't do in the game, which is to color 1/4 from here and 1/4 over here. Now, if we start coloring here, 1, 2, 3, previous fractions in the other circles are erased. So let's color 2/4 and finish. So here we have 4/6. And the team has to decide if to color the 4/6 or 2/3 or 8/12. We will not delve here into the different strategic considerations that the students may come up with. They can, of course, help the students win the game, but the focus here is that they practice fractions. The strategic considerations that the students will implement will simply make the game more interesting for them and will give, especially the excelling students, something to think about beyond the topic of equivalent fractions. Okay, let's choose 2/3 and finish. Let's mark 2/3, finish. And the orange team got a third. They can mark this third and click Finish. Now their score is now 1 because they filled a whole circle, and once they get the point, the circle is erased so they can try to fill it again. Now the blue team can finish a circle and finish. Sometimes during the game, a team might get a fraction that they can't place anywhere. Well, in this case, they simply use the skip button. Let's use it now just to see what happens. And the blue team simply got another turn. Okay, let's use the 12ths. During the game, the teacher can ask questions like, in how many of the circles can we color 2/3? Or how many 12ths are equivalent to 2/3 and why? So the students may say, for example, that each third is equivalent to 4/12. The first team who reaches the score of 5 wins the game. And here we've skipped to the end of the game. We have a tie at a score of 4, but the blue team can now win. They color the half and finish. And we have a winner. So that's it. We hope you find this game productive and enjoyable in class. Thank you for watching.